Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. My dear student, this is your Kamal sir, and mostly known to you as a triangular Kamal sir. Most welcome to all of you in my classes. Inshallah, today we are going to start our class formally within a short time. So please let me know board diagram, sound quality, light, is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? Please let me know. Okay, all clear. We are going to start our class formally. So, dear students, I think in the board you can see the question number 23. In the last class we have completed up to question number 21, and today we will do question number 22 and 23. This is the first question 23. After completing this one we will do number 22. So this is the last question, that's why we will start this one first. So now in these questions, actually we have to know first what is the requirement here. Abdul Rahim gave 0.125 part of his property to his wife. That means if we consider total land, total property is this portions. After giving 0.125 part to his wife, his remaining property is this one. This is the remaining property after first step complete. Then this remaining property he will distribute to his son and daughter, and he gave 0.50 part of his rest property to his son and 0.25 part to his daughter. After giving his wife the rest property, this one, and this property, from this property he will give one portion to his son and daughter, and this is after giving his son and daughter, this is the remaining portions, and remaining portions with him, and this remaining portions value is 3,15,000 taka, and this remaining portions value is 3,15,000 taka. Now the question requirement, what is the total value? What is the value of his total land? I think question concept is very clear. After giving his wife remaining portions, from this remaining portions he gave to his son and daughter, and this is the remaining portions. And the value of this remaining portions is 3,15,000 taka. While this portion's value is 3,15,000 taka, what will be the total value of his land? So we are going to start this one first step. Solution. I think right side what is okay? Let the total property, let the total property of Mr. Abdul Rahim, property of Abdul Rahim, let the total property of Mr. Abdul Rahim is 1. After giving his wife the rest property is equals to 1 minus 0.1 to 0.125 part. After giving his wife, his remaining portion is 0.15 part. Now this one we can write here like 1.0.125 part. Now doing the calculation you will get here, doing the calculation you will get here 0.875 part. Now do calculate here. This one will be 0, 8. We can write here 875 divided by 1000. Just convert this one decimal number to fractions. Top part. Now do divide this one first by 5. If we divide this one by 5, we will get here 5200. Then again this one divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Then 35. 5 sevens are 35. Then 5 5s are 175. So this one we will get here 175. So now again we can divide by 2. 5. If we divide by 5, this one will be 4, 2. And divided by 5, you can write here 3, then 5, 3, 15, 20 by 5. Now divided by again 5, you will get here 8, and divided by 5, you will get here 7. So totally we get here 7 by 8 part. But his remaining property is 7 by 8 part. So dear students, please do complete this one. The remaining, after giving his wife, remaining property is 7 by 8 part. From this remaining property, he will give one portion to his son and another portion to his daughter. So now, give attention, we will find the second part. Now, his son will get, attention, 0.50 part of rest his property. That means this is the rest property. His son will get 0.50 part of rest property. Will get 0.50 of rest property, 7 by 8 part. The 0.50 of 8 by 7 by part. Now compare this one. 50 by 100 multiply 7 by 8. Now if we do calculate here, this is the 2. 50 ones are 50. This one will be 50 ones are 50. 52 times 100. Now the upper one is this one is 7 and 8 to just 16. That means now this one is 7 by 16 part. 7 by 16 part. And his daughter will, second part, his daughter will get 0.25 part of remaining portions. So this one is the 0.25 of 7 by 8 part. Now convert this one, 25 divided by 100 into 7 by 8 part. Now if we do calculate here, this one will be 1 times and this one is the 4 times. Now this is 7 ones are 7 and this is the 32 part. So his daughter will get 7 by 32 part of his rest property and his son will get 7 by 16 part of his rest property. Now this is the end. Now this, after giving to his son and daughter, this is the remaining part. Now you will find this remaining part. So remaining property is equal to just after giving his wife, the remaining part is 7 by 8. From this 7 by 8, he gave 2 to his son is 7 by 16 portions plus to his daughter is 7 by 32. Now this is 7 by 8. This is the total portions. Now this is the final step, the remaining portions. First step, let me review again. After giving his wife that this is the remaining part, and from this remaining part he gave to his son and to his daughter together this part. So after giving to his son and daughter, and if we do subtract from the portions just after giving to his wife, and then now finally we will get the remaining portions with Mr. Abdul Rahim. Now do calculate here, my dear students. I think the right side is okay. Okay, we can do calculation with one line more. This is now 7 by 8 minus, take here the LCM. This is now 32. 2 7 2 14 plus 7. So now we can write here, this one will be 7 by 8 minus 14 7. This is the 21 by 32. So 21 by 32, this is the minus in between that. Now take again LCM here. If we take the LCM, there is now I think, if we take the LCM, there is now 32 is their LCM. Then now 4, 28 minus 21, and this is now 7 by 32 part. This is the remaining property, 7 by 32 part. 7 by 32 part to Mr. Abdul Rahim. Yes, and this is the remaining property. This 7 by 32 part economical value is 3,15,000 taka. The rest property value is 3,15,000 taka. So according to questions, we can write, we can erase the question. According to questions, according to question, 7 by 32 part, 7 by 32 part is equals to 3,15,000 taka. 3,15,000 taka. So 1 or whole portion is equals to 1 or whole portions is equal to 3,15,000 taka multiplied 32 and divided by 7 taka. Now to calculate here, after doing divide, you will get here 3,15,000 taka. I think we have reached here 10. 3,15,000 taka multiplied 32. Now to calculate here, 3,15,000 taka divided by 7, you will get here 45,000 taka. 45,000 taka. Now 45 multiplied 32. This is now 14 lakh 40,000 taka. And this is our final answer. My dear students, please let me know if you have any more question. Please let me know. So, dear students, if you have any question, sir, I didn't understand. Okay, my dear students, I will discuss this math again. Please now first complete your writing. Just after your writing, I will discuss this math step by step again. My dear students, please it was the long math. Yes, definitely it was long math. But if you understand this math, it may be easier to you. Yes, dear student, this is the lengthy and the long maths. But if you understand the concept, it's very clear to you. So I think first of all you have to understand the question properly. Then start the answer writing. Without understanding question, you cannot complete the math properly. So please first complete the maths writing. Then we will discuss. Yes, 14,40,000 taka only. Yes, thank you. Israt Jahan, no question. Israt Jahan ID থেকে লিখছো Munim Jaman sir, no question. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think you have complete doing the copy this one. Dear students, please let me know. Did you complete doing copy this one? Easiest understood sir, done sir. Thank you. Okay, now I will discuss this math again. First step, like this is the total property of Mr. Rohim. Mr. Rohim, he will get this portion to his this portions to his wife. Now he gave to his wife 0.125. That means this is the total property, and he gave to his wife to 0.125 portions. And after giving this one, this is the rest portions. This is the rest portions. Now, considering this is the whole part is one, after giving this portions to his wife, and this is the rest portions. Now, this is the decimal number. Doing the convert into the fractions, we will get a 7/8. So now this is the 7/8 portions of his total property. Now from this 7/8 portions, he will get to his son, one part to his son, another part to his daughter, another part to his son. This is the total 7/8 portions of his property. From this 7/8 portions, he gave to his son and to his daughter. So now his son will get, according to questions, 0.50 part of remaining property. This is the remaining property just after given to his wife. This is the remaining property. So now from the remaining property, his son will get 0.50 times. So now doing the convert the decimal number into the fractions, then doing the simple calculation, you will get here 7/16. Now this is now 7/16. Similarly, his daughter will get 0.25 part of the remaining property. So remaining property, after doing calculation, his daughter will get here 7/32. Now this is the total property just after his wife. Now he gave to his son and daughter, and this is the remaining. This is the remaining. So now after giving to his wife, this is the remaining. Now from this land, he will give to his son and daughter, and after giving to his son and daughter, doing the calculation, he will get a remaining. It is the 7/32. This remaining one is 7/32. This is the remaining one, 7/32. After giving to his daughter and son, this remaining property value is 3,15,000 taka. That is, this remaining property's value is 3,15,000 taka. So according to questions, 7/32 part property economical value is 3,15,000 taka. That means one or whole property will be this. We can divide this one, and then denominator one will be numerator and numerator one will be denominator. Now doing the calculation, is the total property, one or whole property portions, or one or whole property value is 14,40,000 taka only. So my dear students, I hope all of you have understood this math properly. Please, if you have any question, please let me know. Now I will review your comments and then try to answer as far as you demand. Please, if you understood this math, please write down in the comments done or yes. Please, each and everyone, please write your opinion here. Why the 7 is multiplied with I think you are doing the comments here. The 7 is multiplied. Just taking the calculation here. 3,50,000 taka. 3,50,000 taka. This is the 7 by 32 questions is 3 by 50,000 taka. So like this one. 7 by 32 questions equals to eto taka. So one questions will be as like as unitary method. One questions will be 3,15,000 taka divided by 7 by 32. 7 by 32. Now if we divide this whole number by the fractions and if we convert this divide into multiply, we can write here this 32. Like this 32 will be now numerator and 7 will be now denominator. So that's why 3,15,000 taka multiplied with 32 and then divided by 7, and this one will get here 45,000. And in the questions they have written here 1500 decimal 00. So we didn't use this decimal 00 here. Just we have taken only 3,50,000 taka. I hope this is now okay. My dear students, I think now your question concept is very clear. Sir, sorry, I forget again. Any questions? Please let me know. Sir, I didn't understand. Tasin sir was said, I did take also, sir, I didn't understand. Dear students, please let me know which part you didn't understand. This is the first portions, this is the second portions, and this is the third portions. The first portions, the calculation of his wife. The second portions, the calculation for his son and daughter. And this third portions, the remaining portions comparing with the economical value in taka. Please let me know. If you do not understand, please let me know. Sir, what you are saying. Assalamualaikum. Alina Begum. Sir, if you have any question, please let me know. Sir, is there any exam nearby? No, I think this is the exam. Sir, which number page? For page number 43. Page, I think exercise 1.6. Page 43. Question number. Page 43 and question number 23. Page 43, question number 23. Is it now okay? Sir, write the message. Sorry, I am late. Okay, I don't understand. Okay, একজন একটু ক্যালকুলেশন করেছো, মাইনাসটা বোঝো না। আমি তাহলে এটা ইরেজ করে তোমাকে দেখাচ্ছি। দেখো 1 minus 0.125. This is 0.875. কিভাবে আসে? একজন প্রশ্ন করেছে, স্যার আমি এটা বুঝি না। দেখো আমরা এখানে ডেসিমেল নাম্বারটাকে কিভাবে মাইনাস করি খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করো। এটা অনেকে আই থিং কনফিউজ। 1 হচ্ছে হোল নাম্বার। এই হোল নাম্বারের পরে আমরা 1 2 3 এখানে 3 ডেসিমেল প্লেস, এজন্য আমরা 1 এর পরে এখানে তিনটা জিরো ইউজ করব। আর এই নাম্বারটিকে তখন আমরা 1.000 থেকে আমরা এটি মাইনাস করব 0.125। যেহেতু এখানে হোল নাম্বার ছিল আমরা ডেসিমেলের পরে 0 ইউজ করতে পারবো। Now do subtract. 5 to the 10, 5, then carry 1. This is now 3. 3 to 10 is 7. Then carry 1. This is 2, and this is now 8. And there is now decimal. And so carry 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. I think now it's okay, dear students. This subtraction is, I think, now okay to you. একটু বলো তো, যে বলছিল যে স্যার আমি সাবট্রাকশনটা বুঝি নাই। দোলন আইডি থেকে একজন কমেন্টস করেছিলেন suppression, you didn't understand this suppression. Now is okay? Sir, are you that class? Yes, sir. Dolon ID থেকে একজন বলেছিল just the problem in the suppression. Now it's okay? It's very clear. আমরা কি এটা erase করে next ম্যাথে যাব? Sakib Saima is now clear. Thank you. Yes, Dolon ID থেকে বলছে yes sir. Thank you. Sir, my electricity has gone. হ্যাঁ, এটা হচ্ছে ফেসবুক রেকর্ডেড ক্লাস, সো তুমি পরে দেখে নিতে পারবে যদি কারো কোনো প্রবলেম হয়। আর অলমোস্ট আমি কন্টেন্ট ইউটিউবে আপলোড করব, একটু এডিট করে তোমরা দেখে নিতে পারবে। স্যার প্লিজ এক্সপ্লেইন দ্য সেকেন্ড পার্ট अगेन। ওকে, আই থিংক এই আইডিটা কার এখান থেকে বলছো, একজন বলছিল স্যার সেকেন্ড পার্টে একটু যারা তাসকিন আইডি থেকে বলছো সেকেন্ড পার্টে একটু ডিসকাস করেন। আচ্ছা, এখানে তোমাদের একটা জিনিস খেয়াল করতে হবে, first step after giving to his wife, this is the rest portions. এই রেস্ট পোরশন থেকে আমরা ডিভাইড করব the propertyটাকে to his son and daughter. এটা হচ্ছে রেস্ট পোরশন। এখানে ভুলে আবার 1 থেকে মাইনাস করবে না। টোটাল প্রপার্টি থেকে ওয়াইফকে দেওয়ার পরে আমাদের যে অংশ থাকবে, যে পার্ট থাকবে, সেই পার্ট থেকে আমরা সন এবং ডটারকে দিব। তাহলে সন এবং ডটারের পোরশনটা আমাদের কোশ্চেনে দেওয়া আছে 0.50 পার্ট অফ রেস্ট প্রপার্টি। তাহলে ওয়াইফকে দেওয়ার পরে যে অংশটা থাকবে সেটা। নাও ডেসিমাল নাম্বার কনভার্টেড দ্য ফ্র্যাকশন নাম্বার, decimal number converted to the fraction number doing the calculation. This is the portions of son, this is the portions of daughter. Now from the remaining portion 7/8 minus the portions of son and portions of daughter, and the together doing add. Now doing the subtractions from the rest portions, you will get here 7/32 part. This 7/32 part economical value is 3,15,000 taka. So one whole part value is 14,40,000 taka. I hope now is okay. Any more question? Please, dear students, I hope this is now okay. Thank you. Sir, video is stopped. Cano? I think, is it now working? Thank you, sir. Okay, I think this is now very clear to you. Now another question, the question number 22. My dear students, read the question at least 2 times. Question number 22. Question number 22. This is the next question, question number 22. And question 22 here. This is the bamboo stick. Like you could draw a bamboo stick here. This is the figure. Is bamboo stick. 1 portions, 2 portions. Bamboo stick in mud. In mud, water, this is water, this is in mud. Okay, in the bamboo stick, the length of ato part in mud, ato part in water was the this portion is paper, water, yeah. Okay, this is the portions. Now in mud there are 0.15 part. In water, there are 0.65 part. And this is the remaining portions above the water. This remaining portions compared with 4 meter. This remaining portions is 4 meter. So now, first step, second step. Now question is length of the bamboo equals to what? Total length equals to what? And this is our questions. Dear students, the first step, I think this is now figure is okay. In a bamboo stick, there are 3 different parts. In mud, that means kadar moddhe, in mud, there are 0.15 part of total length in mud. In water, 0.565 part, and this is the above water. একটা ব্যাম্বু স্টিক নিয়ে তোমরা পুকুরে অথবা পানির মধ্যে এভাবে যখন রাখবে তখন তার একটা অংশ স্বাভাবিকভাবে মাটির সাথে থাকবে, একটা অংশ পানির মধ্যে থাকবে, আর যদি পানির উপরের অংশটা থাকে এভাবে 3টা অংশে ডিভাইড করা হচ্ছে, ইন মাড, ইন ওয়াটার and above water or air. This is now given here, above water this is the 4 meter, but these 2 portions given the total part, in part the total. So now bamboo stick in solution we can write here. Solution, the bamboo stick in mud and water equals to, in mud and water equals to 0.15 plus 0.65 part. This is the 0 part. So now this is now the 0.78 part. So remaining 1 minus 0.80 part equals to 1.00 minus 0.80 part equals to 0.20 part. This is the remaining after mud and water. This remaining portions is 4/5 meter. So now if we convert this one 20/100 part. Now to calculate here 5 times 1 and 5, that is 1/5 part. According to questions, according to question 1/5 part is equals to 4 meter. So 1 or whole part equals to 4 multiply 5 meter equals to 20 meter, and this is our answer. So my dear students, please let me know. Please first note down this question properly, and then if you have any question please let me know. So total length, my dear students, please note down this question. If you have any question please let me know. It's a very easy question. Trishima Shaha ID থেকে বলছো স্যার নো কোশ্চেন আন্ডারস্টুড থ্যাংক ইউ আম্মু ইসরাত জাহান স্যার আই ডিডন্ট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য ডিভিশন ইন কেস ওকে আচ্ছা তোমাদের যাদের কার ডিভিশন থাকে আমরা একটু টপিকসটা কমপ্লিট করে আবার একটু রিভিউ করব মাহবুবা সুলতান আইডি থেকে বলছো স্যার আন্ডারস্টুড স্যার থ্যাংক ইউ আমন্তন নূর আইডি থেকে বলছো আন্ডারস্টুড স্যার থ্যাংক ইউ ফাতেমা লিজা নো কোশ্চেন স্যার থ্যাংক ইউ যারা তাসকিন আইডি থেকে বলছো স্যার নো কোশ্চেন থ্যাংক ইউ ইসরাত জাহান ইউ আর রাইটিং দ্য আনসার 20 মিটার অ্যাবসলিউটলি রাইট আনসার আম্মু মনিম হাসান মনিম জামান আইডি থেকে বলছে আন্ডারস্টুড থ্যাংক ইউ রিদওয়ান রাহাত ইয়েস থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার হাউ ডিড ইউ মাল্টিপ্লাই আচ্ছা আমরা মাল্টিপ্লাই এটা কেন করেছি তাই না খেয়াল করো এখানে আমি একটু তোমাদের আগের কোশ্চেন সেম ছিল দেখো 1/5 পার্ট 1/5 পার্টের যে ভ্যালু এটা হচ্ছে 4 মিটার তাহলে 1 পার্টের ভ্যালু বের করলে কি হবে 4/1/5 পার্ট 1/5 পার্ট ভ্যালু ইজ 4 মিটার অর্থাৎ 5 ভাগে 1 ভাগ হচ্ছে 4 মিটার খুব ভালো করে বুঝে নাও কোন একটা জিনিসকে তুমি 5 ভাগ করবা খেয়াল করো কোন একটা জিনিসকে তুমি টোটালি 5 ডিভাইড করবা 5 ভাগে যদি তুমি ডিভাইড করো খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করো 1/5 পার্ট 1/5 পার্ট হচ্ছে 4 মিটার 1/5 পার্টের ভ্যালু হচ্ছে 4 মিটার তাহলে 1 2 3 4 5 1/5 পার্টের ভ্যালু 4 মিটার তাহলে এটা 4 মিটার এটা 4 মিটার এখানে 4 মিটার এখানে 4 মিটার তাহলে দেখো তো এখানে 4 + 4 8 8 + 4 12 12 + 4 16 16 + 4 20 অর্থাৎ 1/5 পার্ট অর্থাৎ টোটাল 5 পার্টের মধ্যে 1 পার্টের ভ্যালু হচ্ছে 4 তাহলে টোটাল ভ্যালু হচ্ছে 20 আমরা এখানে দেখো 1/5 part equals to 4 1 and whole part will be 4/1/5 that means 4 now this is now fractions এই ফ্র্যাকশনটা দিয়ে আমরা ডিভাইডের পরিবর্তে যদি মাল্টিপ্লাই করি এখানকার ডিনোমিনেটরটা উপরে চলে যাচ্ছে নিউমারেটরটা নিচে আসবে তাহলে নিচে হচ্ছে 1 উপরে হচ্ছে 20 that means this is now 20 I think now তোমাদের জাকির হোসেন আইডি থেকে বলছো sir why we have done multiplication now is concept is clear to you dear students please let me know Sharna Khan ID থেকে বলছে স্যার আন্ডারস্টুড প্রপারলি থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ yes understood sir now thank you আয়াত আমিন হোসেন said আমাদের টাইম খুব বেশি নাই আমরা খুব বেশি সময় নিব না আমাদের টাইম অলরেডি কমপ্লিট ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস আমাদের আর এখানে মাত্র একটা কোশ্চেন কমপ্লিট আছে আমরা জাস্ট 24 নাম্বার কোশ্চেনস 24 নাম্বার কোশ্চেনস আমরা এটা নেক্সট ক্লাসে করাবো ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেন এই 24 নাম্বার কোশ্চেনটি আমাদের এক্সারসাইজ 1.4 1.5 1.6 এই তিনটা টপিকসের উপর বেস করে হচ্ছে 24 নাম্বার ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেনস এই কোশ্চেনটা আমরা নেক্সট ক্লাসে ট্রাই করব যদি তোমরা কেউ পারো তোমরা নিজেরা করে আমার গ্রুপে পোস্ট করবে আমি ইনশাআল্লাহ একটু রিভিউ করে দিব আমি আবার একটু বলছি আমরা নেক্সট ক্লাসে 24 নাম্বার ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেনটি এখানে ডিসকাস করব করলে আমাদের এক্সারসাইজ 1.6 কমপ্লিট হবে এই কোশ্চেনটি তোমাদের জন্য হোমওয়ার্ক যদি পারো ইফ পসিবল ইউ ক্যান ডু দিস ওয়ান আমরা নেক্সট ক্লাসে তুমি এটা করলেও আমি ডিসকাস করব না করলেও আমি নেক্সট ক্লাসে এই কোশ্চেনটি ডিসকাস করব বাট যদি তোমরা পারো তোমরা ট্রাই করে দেখতে পারো সো ইউ ক্যান পোস্ট ইন দা ফেসবুক গ্রুপ সো মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস তোমাদের আর যদি কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন না থাকে আজকের ক্লাসটি আমরা এখানে কমপ্লিট করব প্লিজ ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ এনি কোশ্চেন প্লিজ লেট মি নো ওকে স্যার ইজ देयर এনি হোমওয়ার্ক তোমাদের এখানে কোনো হোমওয়ার্ক নাই জাস্ট একটা কোশ্চেন তোমাদের জন্য রিভিউ যে ইফ ইউ ক্যান ডু কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 24 প্লিজ পোস্ট ইন দ্য ফেসবুক গ্রুপ আদারওয়াইজ আই উইল ডু দিস ওয়ান ইন দ্য নেক্সট ক্লাস 24 নাম্বার কোশ্চেনটি যদি তোমরা পারো করে গ্রুপে পোস্ট করবে আর আমি এটি নেক্সট ক্লাসে করাবো ইনশাআল্লাহ okay my dear students and thank you so much hope you have understood this maths properly inshallah next class next Sunday we will complete this arithmetic part this long chapter 1 1.1 to 1.6 so inshallah from next Saturday we will complete this chapter 1 so my dear students thank you so much hope to see you all in the next classes and wish you all the best assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah Don't forget to subscribe. Triangular Kamal.